Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on how to draw cartoons. I'd love you to check them out. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a female character, and especially the eyes. Some people have trouble with female eyes, so we're going to work on that today. So let's have this sort of like semi-egg shaped character. We're going to make this the basic shape of the head, and it can change, it will change as we go along. So don't worry if it's not quite right. It doesn't have to be right. It's just a starting point. Here is the center line. Let's make a very curved eye line. Nothing flat across, curved. Now I have this kind of almond-shaped eye, and it'll go along resting on that curved eye line. Now I'll make the bottom of it a little bit flat. See that? So the top is curved, the bottom is a little bit flat. Let's stick some eyeballs in there. And we'll give it a little bit of a longer face. We'll extend that. Already we're changing it. That's fine. Let's give her a little bit of indicate her nose here, just a little indication of the nose. Let's put the mouth down very low. Here's the line between the lips. And we'll just draw the upper lip and the lower lip like this. And again, just extend it so we have enough room for the chin. So look, we started with an egg shape and we really extended that now, but it works. It works for us. Now let's bring the eyelashes out, but instead of having individual eyelashes, we'll just make one big thick eyelash on either side. And it'll be extension from the upper eyelid. Just continues off the upper eyelid. I'll add one more, just to drive home the point that they are eyelashes. Just like that, that's all you need. These are not circles, usually are ovals, and that's what they are here. So you might want to check that. Darken the upper eyelid, like that, and connect to the lower eyelid, and we're keeping that flat. Now have the eyebrow really mirror the shape of the eye, the roundness of the eye, rather than be its own flat line. Let's bring some hair right here, just above the chin. Okay, now let's add a little eyelid crease above the eye, and we're going to shadow that in. That's really important. Otherwise, the drawing is going to look really flat unless you have that little crease there. You can also put a little bit of shading below if you like. Now let's darken that eye more. That's where the contrast comes in. That's the real heavy look right there. I'm going to give her a little bit of a smile. See how the eyelid hangs heavily on the eye? Now let's have some of the hair go a little over the eye on one side. Now I'm going to erase the interior stuff so you can see it a little more clearly. So it's very simple. You can add a few eyelashes here, but a lot of people don't. You don't need to. But you can see it's simple stuff. It really starts with what? The deep curve of the eye line on the original construction. Once you have that, you're 80% there. Well, I hope that was helpful to you. I have many more character designs to share with you. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. You'll get them every week. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.